Today I'm going to teach you how to sew on a button. So you want to make your knot in your thread, put it through the eye of your needle, place where you want your button, and you're going to come up through the back of the fabric. So you kind of have to figure out where that needle's going to go. Try to get it through one of the little openings in your button. Push the needle through, grab it right here, pull through. Okay, and then you want to go down the other opening of the button and grab it from behind, pull that through. Okay, so you want to do that 2 to 3 times. So you're just going to repeat that process, coming up from behind, going back down. Okay. And then you want to tie off the button, so I'm going to flip it over. And it's a little tricky to see, but you just want to get it under one of these threads. Make the loop. Here's my loop. Come back around, go through that loop. Do that one more time. And cut it off. Okay, so that is how you sew on a button, and you always want to make sure the button's on super tight. If you can kind of pull it out, then it's not on tight, so always double check that. Okay, so that is a button with 2 openings. Now I'm going to show you a button with 4 openings. So there's 4 little holes in here, where this one there was only 2. So same thing, I just tied a knot in my thread. You're going to come up through one of the openings. And then I like to crisscross, so I'm up in the top right corner, so I'm going to go to the bottom left corner, so I'm going to go down through that one. Okay, then I'm going to come up through the top left. I'm going to go down to the bottom right. So what I've done is I've made an X there, okay, and you want to do that again 2 to 3 times. So I'm going to start back over, so I'm going to start with the top right. And it's kind of hard sometimes to find that opening, so you kind of have to wiggle your needle around in the back to find it. Okay, then once you have that, you're going to tie it off the same way we tie off everything. Go under one of the stitches, make that loop, come back around, go through that loop, and do it again. And then cut your string. Okay, so that is how you do buttons.